Small, space-saving design means the Nova Comet 2 Midi Adaptable Lathe is a great choice for a multitude of projects. This Nova Lathe can be a primary or secondary lathe in a multifunctional workshop and is great for those who travel, teach, demonstrate frequently. Nova's new lathe with a spin makes it your flexible woodworking system. It is the most versatile Midi lathe in the market. Exceptional structural strength. Solid cast iron construction throughout delivers optimum strength and rigidity while absorbing any vibration. The result, an exceptionally smooth turning experience with less time spent in the finishing process. 3-step pulley system offers different speed ranges while providing maximum flexibility. The middle step usually provides enough range for most wood turning applications. However, the additional 2 steps provide more torque when needed for more demanding projects. Nova Versaturn Adaptable Technology. Its adaptability gives you so much more than just a Midi lathe. With the use of the Versaturn coupler accessory, you can then attach additional accessories including a grinding wheel. No need to take an additional grinder when you travel to sharpen your tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Speed range. 250 to 4000 RPM with its powerful electronic variable speed motor. Number 2. Digital readout. Quickly dial in the correct speed for the job, material, and conditions. You're not limited to potentially dangerous fixed speed steps. Number 3. Forward and reverse switch. Forward and reverse switch offers additional flexibility with the Nova Lathe and allows you to achieve a superior niche. Number 4. 12 inches swing over the bed and 16.5 inches between centers. Expandable to 42 inches with optional bed extension accessory, additional purchase. Number 5. 3 inches faceplate, 6 inches tool rest, Spur-Drive Center, live tailstock center, knockout bar, lathe handwheel unit. Manual with parts breakdown and fasteners. Number 6. Versatile variable speed range and forward and reversing switch. Powerful electronic 3/4 HP variable speed motor offers an RPM range from 250 to 4000 RPM. With a super low speed up to a super high speed, the Nova Comet lathe is perfect for a variety of projects, from pens to bowls and spindles. The switches offer additional flexibility and allow you to achieve a superior finish. Number 7. Digital readout. Quickly dial in the correct speed for the job, material, and conditions. You're not limited to potentially dangerous fixed speed steps. The easy-to-read screen displays the speed you're turning at. Number 8. 3-step pulley system. Offers different speed ranges while providing maximum flexibility. The middle step usually provides enough range for most wood-turning applications. The additional 2 steps provide more torque for more demanding applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.